Hi, it's Tim at Engine Factory. We just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 350 horsepower roller cam turnkey package engine with the Holley Sniper fuel injection for our customer's 1965 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. You have the roller lifter camshaft installed, engine block painted the Ford blue with the brass freeze plugs, proper oil pan for the 65 Mustang front sump oil pan. We installed the oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. It's real nice Ford Racing valve covers, distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, aluminum intake manifold, Holley Sniper fuel injection system on here, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. The entire Holley Sniper fuel injection system will be all set up, the menu screen. I'll set all the settings for you. It'll be all completed. Every engine is live run and tested for over 45 minutes. We'll set the ignition timing, Sniper EFI all set up, plug and play, ready to go. You have the proper standard flywheel for the 302 Ford, proper tooth count and balance, ARP flywheel bolts, pilot bearings installed, oil stick and tube on there, correct thermostat housing, thermostats installed, coolant bypass hose, correct water pump for the 65 Mustang, passenger side lower hose, standard rotation, all the heavy duty Russell fuel line, gas filters installed. So this is the way you get it again, complete turnkey, fully tested, ready to go. Thanks for watching.